The argument is 1 over x minus 5, so we know that the argument must be positive. So 1 over x minus 5 must be positive. Well, I go after the x-intercepts, equal the x-intercepts. That's where the numerator equals 0, by the way. In this particular instance, is 1 ever 0 in our world? No. So there are none. The not equal is the domain restrictions. This is where x minus 5 can't be 0, x can't be 5. Here's your VA. Well, a VA of this guy. And he's multiplicity 1, so what does that mean in the VA world? In the VA world, multiplicity 1 means that if I'm graphing along the VA, if one side goes up, the other one goes down. And if one goes down, the other goes up. Even means I've got this or this. Odd means opposite directions. So if I draw my number line, and we're looking at this guy, essentially a change. By the way, I don't like putting x's there at 5. There's a change there, because that's a VA, and I'm going to mark it as a VA. Which is the primary reason why this is what it is. And then I just pull a test point. This is x equals 0 is available to me. So is 1 divided by 0 minus 5. Is that positive or negative? Negative. So negative change positive. There it is. So your domain of G in this instance is 5 to infinity. Now this one is tougher because the argument is x over x minus 1. So that x over x minus 1 must be positive. So if I go after the x-intercepts, that's just x equals 0. So I've got to change because here it's going to cross. The not equal, domain restriction, x minus 1 can't be 0. Or x can't be 1. Again, this is multiplicity 1, change. This is a VA, because you're dividing by 0. And then on your number line, we have 0. We have 1. And I'm going to pull a test point, namely looks like 2 would be a good test point. X equal 2, sorry about that. But x equal 2, so let's see. Is 2 divided by 2 minus 1 positive or negative? It's 2 divided by 1 positive. So positive change negative. Change positive. So here's your answer right here. You could pull a test point from every region. That would work out too. So here the domain of H is minus infinity 0 union 1. It's almost everybody except that little interval between 0 and 1.